This is your Weather Extreme video for Saturday, November the 3rd. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters, and before we get to the weather that is changing a bit, let's remind you of the Storm Alert Extreme that is coming up next Saturday, a week from today, November the 10th at the BJCC. Remember, starts at 9 and will end probably between 2 and 3. And also you get free admission to the car show after the Storm Alert Extreme. So if you're interested in severe weather and storm spotting, this is the place to be next Saturday from 9 to 3. All right, there's a look at the Skycam network as the sun is rising at Trussville and on a beautiful clear sky. Looks like we're going to be a beautiful day today. And there's a look at Dauphin Island. We can see a few thin cirrus clouds off in the distance over Mobile Bay. But other than that, looks like a great day in store for us. We do have a bit of a front draped across the area, a stationary front, but that really is not going to be of much significance. And as we head into the weekend, it looks like that front off to our west will be moving through the area, giving us a small chance for showers. In the upper atmosphere, we're dealing with a bit of a trough that will be moving through the Ohio River Valley. That trough is fairly minor, but as it does move through, it will bring a front through the area. Although moisture is very limited, so I doubt that we'll see much in the way of showers, scattered at best. Temperatures this morning around central Alabama, generally in the 40s, so another nice coolish morning. 37 up there at Fort Payne for one of the colder spots in the state. QPF-wise, we're not looking at a lot of precipitation over the next 5 days. Indeed, it looks like we'll have maybe a quarter to a half inch at most. And again, the next system somewhat moisture starved. SPC not indicating any severe weather for today, although they do have a C-text over the eastern Texas area. And the tropics. After Sandy, the tropics need to be quiet, and indeed they are. Modeling this morning, we're dealing with the 06Z GFS model run. And there's the upper air map for tomorrow, and you can see the little short wave moving through the Ohio River Valley that will drag the front through our area, giving us at least some chance for some showers. But again, it looks like shower chances will be relatively slim. As we head into Monday, we see one short wave moving over the mid-Atlantic states, but another one digging in, and that one's the one that's going to be providing us with a cooler look to the weather. That thing dives in on Tuesday and bottoms out around the southern Georgia, North Florida area. And so you see we have a nice northwesterly fetch, so look for highs to be back in the 60s. Looks like we don't see much change on Wednesday. And then again on Thursday, we're seeing everything begin to shift, and we're coming under a ridge. So by Thursday, we should see a warming trend. And then by Friday, we're under that ridge. So once again, we're back to near 70 for highs. And then on Saturday, a week from today, we're definitely under the ridge with a nice southwesterly fetch. So we're going to have to watch for tropical moisture coming out of the Pacific. But indeed, it looks like with the surface pressure anchored off to our east just a little bit off the Carolina coast, that we'll probably be dry on Saturday, but we're going to have to watch, as you can see, the moisture returning up into Texas and the lower Mississippi River Valley. Now, going out in the forecast, out into what we call voodoo country, looks like the next good shot at any precipitation will come around the 14th of November. The Ides of November. And then finally, around the 18th, you can see that the westerlies have shifted back to the north just a little bit, and it looks like we'll be once again a little bit milder. So indeed, enjoy today. It looks like today could be one of the warmest days in November. And don't forget, Storm Alert Extreme next Saturday, a week from today. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Have a wonderful day and Godspeed.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
in back-to-back ratings periods.
More people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.